G'day, it's Brad at NIDAC, and in our version 1.8 firmware release we introduced granular permissions and roles. So I just want to spend a couple of minutes walking through that and showing you a couple of key features. Let's get stuck into it straight away. So prior to the 1.8 version of the DN4 firmware, we had three operator levels: admin, technician and user manager, and they were all just set in concrete. They couldn't be configured at all. So now we have the ability to create custom roles, which we will demonstrate. So I'm going to create a user, we'll just call it remote login. So we're going to select a role: technician, admin, user manager. They're all the ones that are set in the system. We've now got a new one called read only, which is, as it says, it's read only. Again, that's hard baked into the system. It can't be modified. So I've created one here called remote login, which is the one we're going to use for the demonstration here. We're going to create a password. Verify the password, submit. Okay, so we've created a new operator called remote login. We'll click on that, and that takes us through to the operator details page. To get to the roles page, we can click on that navigate to role details page. So everything's hyperlinked all the way through, so it's easy to navigate around the system. So now that we're at the roles page, we can modify this one that we've created here. So you can see we can disable certain functions. Some of them, when we click on them, we're going to get a warning flag. Enable restore backup, requires all other resources to possess modify permission. It will allow us to proceed as long as we're aware of what we're doing. So we'll just click cancel on that one for now, and we'll keep moving. We can hide entire pages if we want to. If we don't want someone to see the users page, we can remove that. Controllers page, we'll go down to lift pages. So if we don't have a lift system, we can hide that, for example. We can also, on some of them, depending on the level of requirement in the system, some are hide, read, modify. So if we go down to this roles one here, again, when we click on this, it's going to give us a little warning flag. Granting the role modify permission will allow this role to alter their own permissions. Would you like to proceed? Yes or no? So we'll just cancel that for now. Again, we'll just keep moving along. And you can see on some of the settings that they're linked together. So this door setting is in a couple of positions. It's in the controllers page. We've got a door, and under the door groups page we've got door as well. So if we modify one, it's going to modify the other one as well. So it's going to keep everything in sync. So every time we change that, they move with each other. So there you go. Pretty simple sort of stuff, but very powerful in configuring your system operators. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and I hope that was instructional. For more information, go to www.nidac.com, or you can visit our socials at YouTube, LinkedIn and Facebook. Anyway, until next time, ciao.